Hi all, and welcome to this week's edition of the Henwood Edge. I'm Chris Henwood with North Point Bank, and before we get started today, I want to give a quick shout out to two old Reuters colleagues, Mike Wood and Zach Goldman, for some technical advice on my previous episodes. So hopefully I've corrected the problems and we're a lot better visually. So let's jump right in. Today we're going to cover FHA loans. What's an FHA loan? FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration. It's a loan program that's insured by the government. It's designed to help people who might not qualify under a conventional loan program or other loan programs that are available and have maybe a little bit of a banged up credit history. So let's just jump right in and see what some of the features of the FHA loan are. First is you can have a credit score as low as 600 points. That's a great advantage if you're trying to qualify for a conventional mortgage. Usually the minimum is 620. And as you know, interest rates, as we covered in last week's edition, the lower your credit score, the higher the interest rate. So on top of that, you can get loan amount up to $726,525. Now that's for northeastern New Jersey. Not all areas of the country are going to be this high, but still you're going to be able to buy a lot of house under this loan program. In addition, you can have as low as 3.5% down. On the conventional side, there are some first-time home buyer programs for 3% down, but most of the programs under the conventional loan programs are 5% down minimum. So that's a nice advantage. On top of that, you must be owner occupied. You have to live in the home you're going to buy. This is not for investors. This is a program to help people get into homes that they're going to live in. And there's mortgage insurance required because it's a government program, because it's government subsidized. The mortgage insurance is a part of the program and it stays with you for the life of the loan, which is important to note. Okay, now it also will allow you to buy a 1 to 4 family home. So you have your single family homes, you have your 2, 3, and 4 families, and one of the cool things about a multifamily situation is you can use the income from the other units you don't live in to qualify to help you purchase the home, which is a great feature. I'm going to cover that in a later episode, but just for now, know that that's a nice thing you can do under this loan program. So what are some of the benefits of the FHA loan? So the benefits are we have a higher DTI allowance. What is a DTI? Debt to income ratio. It's what we use to qualify people for mortgages. So this will allow a higher level than what you would normally get on the conventional side, which can help you buy more home given your circumstance. And it's great for those who, like I said at the beginning, might not qualify under a conventional loan program. It'll help people who wouldn't be able to buy a home otherwise to be able to buy a home, which is a great thing. In addition, you can be approved within once you've completed 2 years of the discharge of a bankruptcy, short sale, or foreclosure. That's pretty huge because under the conventional loan programs, you have to wait 4 years. And being able to do it within 2 years, I actually have clients who literally will wait until that time is up for the discharge of that issue to be resolved so they can qualify to buy their next home. It has a more attractive interest rate than conventional loan programs. So like we said in last week's episode, usually the lower your FICO score, the higher your interest rate. Under the FHA loan program, because it's government insured, and which is the next benefit, by the way, it's government insured. So because of that, it will allow you to have a lower interest rate given the same circumstances, which is really huge, especially in today's market. Now, is this going to be a recurring theme we're going to talk about most weeks? One size fits all. And as you know, there's no such thing when it comes to mortgages. Everybody's different. Everyone has a different circumstance, different situation. And that's why there are all these various loan programs to help people. So do me a favor, give me a call. I can give you a lot more details and we can talk specifics. Also, what I'd like everyone to do is send me your ideas for shows that you'd like to see moving forward. I have a list of about 25 that I've put together already, but I'd really like to hear from you as to topics you'd like to see covered that'll help you be better educated and make better decisions. Okay, that's all for this week. Thanks for watching the Henwood Edge. We'll see you next week.
This is not a commitment to lend. All loans are subject to credit review and approval. Not all loan programs are available in all states. Contact a North Point Bank loan officer for further details.